How was school today? Busy. Yeah. Getting ready for the exams, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah, you say that with such enthusiasm.
So excited.
Yeah. I used to get really anxious there around that time of year.
Yeah.
Like, oh god. It was like trying to cram everything in, all the studying and everything.
Yeah. Like my first exam's next Friday.
Next Friday,
so.
Yeah. Is it a big one?
It's just my English exam, so it's.
Yeah.
I'm not too worried about it.
Cool. Me, it was the math there. I'm mathematically dysfunctional, so.
I do have math this semester.
Yeah.
But me, it's mostly chemistry.
We're gonna turn right. And at the lights, we're gonna turn. We're gonna go straight at the lights. We're gonna go into the Princess Auto parking lot. We'll start your road test there.
Which lane is it for straight? This one?
Yep.
I guess the other one has the arrows.
It's got the arrows, but sometimes, be careful here. Sometimes you won't see the arrows though if they're covered in snow. So generally when you're going straight, if there's two lanes, you choose the one closest to the side of the road here. Most intersections. There's some intersections that are a little bit offset, so you might have to use the left lane to go straight. Like there's one down there on Rito. These lights are fairly long. This is one of the intersections that have a red light camera. See that gray pole with the boxes on it? Okay, so just as a reminder here, when you're rolling through the parking lots, you use your signal and you slow it down to about 20 or less. Right turn down the first lane. We'll make a left turn down the laneway here, if we can find it.